Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. Today I am showing you guys this wig from ISEE Hair. This is how your hair will come packaged when you receive it. The packaging is pink, which is my favorite. I love it. It's so girly. And these are all the contents of the wig. I have the Burmese curly half wig. So this is what the wig looks like fresh out of the packaging. Really cute. And this style has the ringlets at the bottom, which I'm intrigued to see what this is going to look like when I put it on. But here I'm just showing you guys the wig. It's constructed really well. It has combs, it has a drawstring and a adjustable strap in the back, and just holding it in my hand is really lightweight. So for me, I'm just going to go ahead and pull all my hair back and put on a stocking cap and just tuck my hair away, because this is going to be the quickest, easiest install that you can do yourself at home. And this is what the wig looks like on. This is how long the 24 inches on me. All I'm doing is making sure the combs are secure, and since I have the stocking cap on, it kind of acts like a barrier, so it's not going to slide back or anything. It's nice and comfortable. The hair is extremely soft. When I say soft, I mean soft, like it butter soft. But this is what we're looking like. Before I go ahead with the blending process, I'm just going to separate the curls so we can see what she's really supposed to look like. This is a wear and go wig. You're supposed to take this out the box and put it on and go, and this, you can actually do that. So I'm just separating the curls. Really cute. It's so, like, the hair is juicy. The hair looks like I spent a lot of time clump the curls together with foam and all of that. So I'm pretty happy with how it looks. So I'm just gonna speed through me I'm just gonna speed through me unclumping the curls, and then we'll get into the blending process. And to blend my hair, I'm taking out the smallest amount because I don't want this to be too hard. I find myself doing too much sometimes when I'm blending my hair with curly hair. So the least amount of hair, the better. You just want to make sure you're covering what you need to cover. So to blend my hair with the extensions, I'm going in with my pencil curling wand, and I'm just going to curl my leave out in different directions. And once I'm done curling my leave out, I am going to just do a little edge work, just a little bit, not too much. And I am styling this half wig like a flip over. I absolutely love this wig already. Look how good that looks. Yeah, it looks great. And this is how that turned out. I love the fullness of the hair once you unclump the curls, and the more you touch it, the bigger it'll get. So it's just your preference, but I love how this looks. So next, I'm quick to put a headband on a curly anything. So I'm just showing you guys like, you can literally do whatever you want to do with this, but I wanted to go with the red headband since I was wearing red today. I'm just trying to match. So I threw on a headband, and voila, that looks good too. Like, it looks great. So yeah, that concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Real quick, real straight to the point. Like, this is really 5-minute hair. You can put this on in 5 minutes and be out the door. So I'll be sure to list all of ISEE's hair info in the description box for you guys, as well as a direct link to the unit that I'm wearing and everything else you need to know. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.